Hi everyone, welcome to Learn Chinese with Yao Yao. So today we're going to learn about these characters. E has the meaning of chance and easy. The original form of this character is actually look like this, and it does look like a kind of animal, and our answer is lizard. Because lizard can easily change the color of their body according to the environment they have. So the idea of this Chinese character was actually come from the lizard. Okay, now let's see what other words are made of these characters. The first one, 容易. 容易 means easy. For example, we can say 这道题很容易，这道题很容易。跟易燃物，易燃物，容易燃烧的物品。Things which are easy to get burned. Combustible. For example, we can say 汽油是一种易燃物。汽油是一种易燃物。This question is use 容易 to make one sentences. Comment and tell me, and I will see you tomorrow.